Hey guys, this is Pratap here. Now we are going to configure the DHCP server. So DHCP server, what exactly it does, I already explained in that website networkred.net. Also, I will give that small briefing on this. What is DHCP? So you just have a look, guys. What is DHCP? Suppose in there is a company, and in this company there is a server, and they're having a plenty of endpoint clients. So once this server is connected with this, all right. So what we will do, the server will be giving IP address automatically from the server. Let's say they're having a DHCP server, so the server will be giving IP address to all of them. So this process is called DORA, right? This process is called what? DORA. D for discover, O for offer, R for request, and A for acknowledgement. So this DORA process, the first time client sends the broadcast to the server. So where the source IP is 0000 and destination IP is 255.255.255.255. Source port is 68 and destination port is 67. So then offer it will get, so DHCP server will send. This way enter mechanism will take place, and finally the client will get IP address. Once client will get IP address, what all information will be there? Once the client get IP address, in this you will be having gateway information, gateway gateway information will be there. Then they will be having uh, DNS information will be there, and then IP address will be there. So these are the information will be there. If you want to see this, like what all information will be there, so then you can give this command ipconfig. You can come here, ipconfig slash all. You can see all the details is going to show you up. Fine. So now you will be going to configure the DHCP. So how you will be doing? Click on manage, add, remove. Okay, let me do full screen. So you'll be going here. Now you will be going role next. Can you see here DHCP? So you'll be selecting it. Now click next, click next, next, install. So once you'll be click on install option, I mean install. So immediately DHCP packages will be installing inside the server. Okay. So I will show you up that one. Just hold on for a minute. So hold on for a moment. So it won't take much time. Let me see while computer is running, so we can increase some RAM or not. uh, I have increased to 8 gig. So it's not a best practice, you don't try, guys. So now see, DHCP has been installed here. So now we have to configure the DHCP. Click on complete DHCP configuration. Once we'll click this, it will be coming like that. Now this is that domain name who will be having permission. So then we have done. Now we have to configure the DHCP. So you see how you are doing. Go to the tools, click on DHCP. Now you can see here left hand side that DHCP option came. Now you will be going here. We want to configure IPv4. Right click on that, new scope, give a name, network read. You can give any name by the way, and description you can give, let's say server IPv4. Alright, then you'll be going next. So what will be the your starting IP address? 192.168.43.200 or 220, that is IP will start from 192.168 43.240. So that will be, and this is the subnet mask /24. We'll go next. Oops, 192.192. So any IP you want to exclude, so those IP you can give, like any of the IP you want to exclude. Let's say any IP that you are using somewhere you just want to exclude, you'll give that IP. Next, by default you can see 8 days, it will be giving the lease duration. Then I want to configure the option now. Next, the gateway 192.168 43.1, that is the gateway. You can add, click on next. So network rate.lan, so we want to check it. Resolve, once you click on resolve, so it will be trying to do it. So let's have a look. So it's saying host not found. So what we'll do, we'll troubleshoot on that. How you'll be doing, you'll go there, go to DNS, now go to server and reverse DNS. So you can see that we have created the pointer. We will be going here, click on properties in a blank space. Once we will be doing it, now you will be going name server. You can see it's showing unknown. You go here, resolve, select 43.1, make it up, that is, you just delete down one, select this, click OK, apply, OK. Now go to the server, all task, restart. Now you go here, all task, okay, you go there and clear cache. Again you go there and you launch ns lookup. See, name is resolving. Okay, now we stuck here. Okay, so now you will try to resolve. So this time it should resolve. So have patience because this is very important, and you need to know network rate dot lan. Saying the host not found. We'll go back. We'll go back, and in between we'll check that ncpa.cpl will check the DNS is proper or not. IPv4. Now we will disable, we will make it enable. Now for sure it is going to work now. That is the gateway. Now this is your LAN. You resolve. You can click add. Now it will come. Now you go next, 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 next. So DHCP we have done. So guys, one thing I want to tell you, where we was missing, that is the DNS. So we planned that the same this server which is AD, the same server will be the DNS, because we don't have any extra DNS server right now. This server itself will be acting as a DNS. So that server IP is 100, not 1. So that's what you was missing out, right? So now you will make it disable. Now we make it enable. Now gateway is, it's saying default gateway is not available. So you will find it here. We'll go there and we'll check the default gateway. IPv4 43.1. It's there, default gateway. Now you will see guys, you can see that this PC, I think it can ping to network red dot LAN. Yeah, it's pinging now. Can you see that? And that is the IP address of the server. So we just missed that IP. Extremely sorry, man. So now you will be going here. You'll be going here. Now this PC properties. Now go to the client, and then you click on change domain network. Okay, before that, before this, I wanted to show you this. We have configured DHCP, right? So let me show you that this PC is getting IP address automatically or not. So we'll be going here, run ncpa.cpl. You go here, properties, IPv4, and then you obtain IP address automatically, because we have configured that this server as a DHCP. This is a DHCP, right? And we have configured already. So now you will be checking it's picking up that IP address or not. Just have a look. Can you see that network red.lan? That means from here, from this server, it's picked that IP address. One more thing I want to show you guys. See address pool. Who got that IP address? One of the guy got that IP address, right? You want to see that? See client.networkred.lan. So he got that IP address, isn't it? So what time got that IP address? 4:30. Can you see here? 4:30. So they have got that IP address. Make sense? So you have seen it that DHCP is working. Now now you will be able to ping the server. You can see what is the server name, network red.net. So you can ping it. You will get the oops sorry. So network red.lan. That is that. You can see you are getting reply. And what is the server IP? Server IP is 100. Can you see that? CMD IP config. Now you can see What is the IP here? 100, right? You can go here, right click, command prompt ipconfig. You see 43.100. Makes sense? So we have configured the DHCP. So this is the way we will be configuring the DHCP in your organization. Thank you guys. Please go through the video very clearly, step by step, and you also see that how I was doing troubleshooting. Okay, thank you.